The clouds are clogging up my brain like the weather brain saying it's the tears on my face. And I'm stuck up in the storm. I guess I'll be alright. And it hits me like hey, all that wind that's swept me off my feet got me flying till I'm crying and I'm down on my knees. That's what Dorothy was afraid of. The sneaky tornado. Okay, I'm done. You can leave now.